In this video, I'm going to explain what a bonding curve is for meme coins on Axiom. So, by the way, in case you want to start trading meme coins and you don't have an account on Axiom yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So, make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features such as an amazing wallet and Twitter tracker, a P&L tracker, a reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also trade perpetuals, use their turbo mode for faster fills. You can set your own presets and adjust your slippage, priority, and bribe fees. They have some great filters to filter through meme coins, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Now, in here, if you wanted to know what a bonding curve is, and if you've seen it inside Axiom, so for example, let me go over here. This is an example. You can see over here, there's like a B curve percentage, which is basically a bonding curve percentage. And this is mentioned throughout basically different tabs inside the Axiom exchange, as well as some other exchanges too. However, in case you don't know what that is, a bonding curve is actually, when it comes to meme coins, it's a mathematical function that determines the price of a token based on its supply. So as more tokens are actually bought, the price increases, and as the tokens are sold, the price decreases. Now, this mechanism creates a dynamic pricing system where early buyers get tokens at a lower price than later buyers. Now, this is what a bonding curve is, and in case you want to adjust it as a filter inside Axiom, as I showed you, go to pools up here, click on any of these three filters, and select if you want the filters for new pairs, final stretches, or migrated, and then over here, as you can see inside new pairs and final stretch, you can adjust the B curve percentage minimum and the maximum for your current layout. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.